I'm Laura, and I'm a coach. I work with dental professionals to help them with career change and career development. And I started working with Ed because I was feeling really overwhelmed with my one on one clients. I was spending a lot of time doing one to one coaching, and so I didn't have time for anything else. And I was actually, whenever I had a day with a lot of coaching clients, I didn't want to do those coaching calls because I felt like I had so much other work to do to keep building and growing and keeping my business going. So the actual part of work that I loved the most was the part I was not wanting to do. I was a little hesitant to work with Ed because I wanted one on one coaching for myself. I wanted that direct attention. But the way he has it set up is amazing that I get to be part of a group and I also get his direct one on one attention. So that turned out to be a very pleasant surprise, helped me get the support that I needed to move forward. And in 8 weeks, I launched a group coaching course and I was able to get 18 people enrolled, and I doubled my monthly income that month and collected 20K. So that was a huge win. And now my schedule is a lot more free, and I'm loving the group coaching because everybody's benefiting and I have more time. And this is just the beginning. I can't wait for more. Thank you guys at Clients on Automation.